Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Getting ready to roll. Alright, so it's my first time running with these guys, and I'm just going to take it easy. I'm not going to push myself. It's my first time in Palomar Mountain, and this should be pretty exciting, but I'm nervous because we got a lot of bikes here that are really fast. We got some Ducatis here, we got some 600s, we got 1000 RR over there, and looks like an R1 or an R6, but yeah, these guys got some serious machines. Meanwhile, I'm here in my little KTM RC390. We got another S1000 RR over here. Me and you, we're gonna take it easy.
Oh no, definitely.
I'm really serious about that. No fucking around for me, man. So we probably have about 10 bikes right now, and we're going to be doing a lot of miles in these nice, fun, twisty roads. Really excited, man. This is going to be a lot of fun. There's another guy here, and he took the same MSF course as I did when I was first getting my license, and now I'm seeing here for the first time, which is awesome. Oh, what a view. What a view. The rumble. This is why you should ride your own ride. You okay, man? You okay? Yeah, I think your bike is out of commission, man.
I think I am as well.
Sorry, brother.
It is all good. It just needed that sign, you know, to fucking see if you need to.
I saw you passing me, and I didn't know it was you. I just thought it was somebody else, but man, this is horrible. Sorry, buddy. All right. Is it on neutral?
No.
Put it on neutral. Yeah. Hey man, listen, forget about the bike. You're okay.
Every single day.